Hello, I'm Juliet Megwe. Welcome back to my channel where I share with you how to make resin art, decor or functional pieces, and I try to share some tips here and there as we go along, including some of my DIY tips as you'll see in very many previous videos. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos. And if you've been here before, you will see this piece and wondering why is it here. Check out the card above to show where I showed you how to create this tray, which you can use for drinks. You can use it as a decorative piece to place your trinkets in, or lean it on a wall like this as a decorative piece. But after it cured, I looked at it and I was like, it's not bringing out that stained glass effect that I was really hoping for. So what do? Do I just throw this out? And I figured out there must be a way to upcycle or reuse the tray. All right, then I thought, now what about my waste of this cured resin, because it's cured for a while, and I didn't want to do that because the piece looks pretty and I didn't want to waste that. Hey, this business, every cent counts. So let me show you two things. Then how to demold this cured resin from this metal tray. And also I'll use this to show you how to do that on a piece that has really stuck. You know, this one I could feel it moving a bit. When I turn it around, I can feel it moving. So I know it's not as stuck as this one. The other one I tried to do the same thing. Okay, so here is our piece. I told you when I move it, I can feel it moving. So I can tell it's not stuck, it's not bonded too well. And that was one of the reasons I also wanted to redo this, because I'm imagining if I sell this as a tray and someone uses it and wants to wash it or wipe it, maybe water might go in and in time it might come out. But if someone just wipes it, you know, the way you use it just as a piece to present, and it's just wiped, I think it's okay. So what do I do? The good thing is that because I can feel that movement, you see, you can still, it's moving. Because I need that movement, I can feel that movement, I know it's not stuck too hard. And so for this, all you need to do after doing this is turn it around and bang it out. And if you need to, you see it's moving a bit, you can press out, press out, press out. And it comes out like this. I love, love, love. Look at it. That is the stained glass look that I was looking for. And yes, I can use this same piece, the way it is, to place something on, you know, like perfumes or trinkets or jewelry on a surface or in the kitchen. But I wanted to share with you what else you can do with cured resin so that it's not a waste. You don't feel it's a waste if, for example, you can't use your piece as it is. Please check the card above where I'll show you how to make a free-form bowl using the cured resin. I'm also going to just show you how to remove this that's really stuck, because I tried really to heat it down to use a heat gun at the back so that it lets go. It refused, or it is really stuck. So this one should have stayed like that. If I was happy with the effect, a client would have been happy using this over the years. So what are we going to do? I'm going to place this in the freezer for 10 minutes. After that, after removing it from the freezer, I'll overturn it on this mat so that it's soft and just bang it down. If it's not coming out, and it should come out, but if it's still stuck and not coming out, I'm going to just press it a bit, and you can see with this, there's no space on the side to use a tool to bring it, because I don't want to break it, because I want to reuse it. So we cannot place a tool to pull it out. And after that, after I press it out and bang it out, it comes out. Please watch the card above or the video at the end to see how I used it to make a sun catcher. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my other videos. God bless you. Barakatele. We'll see you next time.